Hi, good morning friends. Happy Thursday to you. We are today going to learn a new sound spelling, and it's a spelling for the long A sound. So before we get into the new spelling, we're just going to take a minute to listen to the long A sound in words. Here I'm going to say some words to you that have the A in the beginning of the word, and I just want you to listen and repeat the words after me. Okay? Are you ready? So repeat after me. 8, ache, ape, able, age. Did you hear the A at the beginning of each of those words? Now I want you to repeat these words after me, and here we hear the A sound in the middle of the word. Okay? Repeat after me. Cake, cave, made, nail, lake. Do you hear that A in there in words like nail and lake? All right. Okay, so now I'm going to show you one of the spelling ways to get the long A sound. So there's an A blank E. When you see this in words, most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, the A and the E work together to make the A sound, okay? So when that happens, the E makes the A say its name, but then the E is silent. Okay, I'll say that one more time. The E works to make the A say A, and then the E is silent. Sometimes people call that the magic E rule. All right, so let me show you this word. I'm going to write it with two different colors so that you see how the E and the A work together. So for example, with this word, okay, it's hard to tell the difference in the black and the blue, but those are the only two colors I have here at home with me, so I'm sorry about that. All right, so this is the word game, okay? So the G and the M still have their sound, but the E makes that A say A, all right? So game. Does that make sense? I'll do the A and the E in black so that you see that they work together. And this is the word. It's a little crooked. Sorry about that. This is the word cake. Let's try it again. Cake. Do you see how the E and the A work together to make the A say A, and then the E is silent? It's not cake, it's cake. All right. I'm going to erase these, and I'll show you a few more, and then I'll show you a little game that we play in our classroom that we have played this year. Let's see. So here's the A and the E. Can you see that? Yeah. And the A and the E. We'll do a few of them. Instead of writing the little arrow with the marker, I'll use my fingers to kind of pull the two of them together, okay? So let's do this word. You want to try that one? This is the word lake. Try it one more time. Lake. Okay. What word do you think that is? The T says T. Here we go. Ache. Take. One more time. Ache. Take. What about this one? Let's try. B-A-K. Bake. B-A-K. Bake. All right, let's do a few that have a different letter in there. Let's try this word. Let's sound it out. G-A-V. Gave. Gave. This one. Sometimes your friend is called your mate. All right, here we go. Ate. Mate. Does that make sense? I'm going to show you some words that are CVC words, right? The words that we've been spelling out, like k, app, cap, right? There's cap. When you have the E on the end, it changes the word cap to the word cape. K, ape, right? So it was cap, but the E makes it say cape, okay? Here's the word, sound it out with me, mat, mat, but the E on the end changes the word to the word mate, ate. You see that? Okay, let's do the word fad. Okay, sound it out with me. Add, fad, but then when we put the E on the end, it changes it to the word fade. Sound it out with me. Aid, fade. Do you see how that works? So, Ms. Hales is going to show you a little activity with little cards. Let's see, can you see that? Let's sound out the word and van. But then when you add the E to the end, it changes it to ain. You see that? So from the word van to the word vain, where the E makes the A say A. Ain, vain. All right, let's do a few of those. Here we go. This is the word man, man. And when you add the E, it changes it from man to ain, main. Here's the word at, and when you put the E on the end, it changes it from at to where the E makes the A say A, eight, eight, eight. Pretty cool, huh? All right, here's the word tap. What word do you think it's going to turn into? What do you think that is? That's the word tape. T-ape, tape. Here's the word rat. And rat with the E on the end becomes rate. Rate. R-A-T. Rate. Okay. Here's the word gap. G-ap. Gap. But when you have an E on the end, the E makes the A say A, so it becomes g-ape. Gape. Gape. Here we have fat, at, and when you put the E on the end, ate, it becomes the word fate. And then the last one that we'll do is slat, slat, and that becomes slate, slate. Okay? So that's called the magic E, or when we have a CVCE word. So we have a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant, right? We've been talking about CVC words a lot this year. Consonant, vowel, consonant are those little 3-letter words, right? And then when you have the E on the end, we call it a CVCE word. Consonant, vowel, consonant, but then the E comes and affects that vowel to make it say its name. So that's what we're going to do for the rest of the lessons that we have next week. We're going to work on CVC words that have an I, or CVC words with an O, okay? All right, so on Nearpod, what you're going to do today is 5 worksheets, but they're all pretty short, I think, okay? So on this one, it says, print the word where it fits best, okay? So you have to read the word, and remember, these are CVCE words where the E makes the A say A, okay? So this word is tape, plane, and skate. And then you just need to write the word underneath the picture that represents the word, okay? So that first page, pretty simple. The next page, the next 2 pages actually have a little word bank, okay? So the words are up here. This word is cake, lake, grapes, and cane, okay? The next page is the same kind of thing. All right, so read those CVCE words. I'm going to let you do those. I'm not going to read them to you. Just sound them out, and remember that that E makes the A say A. And then write the word underneath the picture that it goes with. And then this one gives you an option, kind of like what we did here, where you have a CVC word, and then you add the E to it, and it changes the word. So what you got to do here is you're going to look at the picture, you'll read the 2 words. So this is cap and cape, man and mane, and then you just need to circle the one that shows the picture, okay? So if this is cap and cape, this is a picture of a what? Of a cap. So you'll circle the word cap for this one. So sometimes you'll circle the CVC word, sometimes it'll be the CVCE word, okay? So there's a cap. This part of the horse is his mane. There's a roll of tape, a plane, a rat, and this animal right here is fat, okay? So that's what you'll do on this page, and then you'll do the same thing on the very last page, okay? So you have a pan, the boy is mad, you have scraps left on the plate, you have 2 boys that ate already, you have a boy wearing a cape, and you have a picture of a man, okay? So that's what you're gonna do. I will see you back here. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna have a Zoom activity with all of the kindergarten together. And after that, then next week, we'll work on more of these CVCE words. Have a wonderful afternoon, get your work done, submit your Nearpod, and I'll see you back here on Monday, but hopefully I'll see you tomorrow on Zoom.